Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial for my Tutorial Wednesday. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to publish the live video that I did yesterday because of the internet. But now we are good to go. I have it all fixed up and everything. So what I'm going to do is show you step by step on a clear image on my bird. So I went ahead and grabbed a 360 in blue. What I'm going to do, and I inflated it about 5 fingers. Yeah, 6 fingers. Gave it a 6-finger tail. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to do a 4-finger loop. Followed by another 4-finger loop. Followed by a 5-finger loop. But before you do the 5-finger loop, you're going to grab a 5-inch round. And the trick to hit the bird's cheeks going up like he's smiling, you need to have a nice big eye, so about the size of a softball. You're going to twist these in half like so. You're going to wrap it around the front of the face like that. Okay, just like that, easy peasy. Then we're going to do from the bottom of the cheek, pinky over, so 4 fingers. Then you're going to do a pinch twist. You're going to bring it back up. This part, you're just going to release the air. I'm going to tie it around, then I'm going to bring it right down the middle of the body. Keep it nice and tight. Okay. Twist that around. Should have something like this. Okay. Then we're going to grab our beak, and the beak is literally going to be 3-finger bubble and a 1-finger bubble. I'm going to tie those up so it has a little bit of a curve up here. Okay. You're going to reuse this 260 for the feet. So you saw what I did there, I just brought it right between the cheeks, like so. Okay. Hold off on this part, because we're not done with the body yet. You're going to grab do I have enough here? A 260 in fashion blue is what I have here. And this entire 260 is going to finish off the body of the bird. So I tied that up. I gave it about a 4-finger tail. I'm going to tie it up in between the cheeks like so. Okay. From the bottom of the cheek, it's going to be 3 fingers. Pinch twist. 3 fingers, pinch twist. 2 fingers into that bottom pinch twist. Same thing on the other side, pinch twist. I'm going to come back up like that. Okay? All the way around. You're going to make sure you make this soft because you're going to come back underneath this cheek. You're going to wrap it around this pinch twist. You're going to loop it around. I'm going to wrap it around the middle where the beak is, and it's going to come back on the other side like so. So you can see it's wrapping around the side pinch twist. Came back over here. Okay. Squeeze some air out, and I'm going to do it again. Wrap it around that pinch twist. I'm going to twist it right around and remove the excess. Super easy, super fast concept. And because of the wings are what push the cheeks upward, which gives it a very cheeky look. Okay? Just like that. Okay? Now you grab a 5-inch round in black. You inflate that about the size of a $50, and then you twist it in half. You just slide it right through the ice. slide it right through. Like that. Let me see if I can center it. Okay. You have the ice. You're going to add the feet to it. Basic feet. 2 4-finger bubbles like this. Same on the other side. 2 4-finger bubbles. Okay. Tie that in there. Tie those two together. Okay. I'm going to cut off the excess. And you're just going to bring this right through the bottom from the back to the front. Twist it in. And you have super easy, super cute bird. Of course, this is all you can get from this particular design, but I do have a series called Birds that will be available on my Patreon page, and that's patreon.com/twistedart with a capital T, where you will get a whole series of different kinds of birds. So yeah, this is my basic standard bird. I will show you a quick little sneak peek of my other series that's going to be out. So here's a quick peek of my cockatoo. Quick sneak peek of my other bird here. And then I have my other multicolored bird right there. So all of them are based on a similar way of making it. Not completely, but similar. So if you guys are interested, like I said, check out my Patreon page. For those of you that already support my page, thank you so much for supporting me. It really means a lot to me. I have a lot of material I'd like to share with you guys. So if you're not a part of it, check it out. I got all kinds of material on there already available. So again, this is my little bird. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And for those that don't have my Patreon page, I will be putting this up for sale as well within a week or so after I'm done editing everything. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you do like it, subscribe to my channel right at the bottom of the screen. See you guys.